So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. In today's video, we're talking about a brand new update that has been pushed out to your Google TV interface. Now, we're talking about Google TV, we're talking about a Chromecast with Google TV. We're also talking about the on 4K streaming device with Google TV. And any other device that has Google TV should see this new update start rolling out. So we're gonna jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so today I am demonstrating. So this update was pushed out about 2 weeks ago. I have couple Google TV devices, including the Chromecast with Google TV, as well as the on 4K streaming box with Google TV, and none of those received the update initially. Finally, they rolled it out to my Chromecast with Google TV. That's why I'm bringing it to y'all today. So first of all, if you don't know how to update your device, or if it didn't automatically update, pretty easy to do. You're gonna go all the way up to the top. You're gonna go all the way to the gears icon to the right. So we're gonna click on the gears icon. And now we're gonna scroll down to system. We're gonna go over to about, click on system update. And this is where if you have an update available, it will let you know, hey, this is available, or in my case, system is up to date, and you can always check back another time. So don't know how they're rolling this out exactly. Some devices just get hit earlier than other devices, but for me, this took a while for me to get it. So what is the new update? What's in the new update that's worth talking about? So first thing you're probably looking, everything looks the same. You have the For You area up top, the live area. You also have the apps, and we have the library, and over to our gear icon. So where they updated is the Your Apps area. So if you scroll down, previously guys, this area used to be the square icons, and it used to have a limited amount of apps you can fit in. Well, now with the new update, first of all, you can see that the icons are round, which does give it a more modern look, in my opinion. Icons are round, and as far as reordering them and adding them, just a little bit different. So with this, there is no limit, guys. It looks like every single app that you have on your device, it will place in this area. So I can see, I think I counted like 35. So you can see I have all the apps, all my apps listed right here. When you get to the end, it's going to give you two options. So you can reorder. So if you click on that, it's going to ask you first to select an app. So let's say I wanted to reorder YouTube Music. I'll click on it. Then I can move it to where I want it. Press OK again. And if I want to do more apps, I can go ahead and do so. Sideload launcher. And when I'm done, I go to the bottom and hit done. And that's how you reorganize it. Now that's method number one. There's also another method which I like this method better. Get to the app that you want to move. Hold down. It's going to give you two options: open, view details, or move. If you click on move, it's basically going to bring up the same action as it was when you go to reorder. So two ways to do it. I think holding and pressing is a little bit faster, but let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, we're going to hit done again. The other one is the add apps. So the add apps, when you click on it, it's basically going to bring you to your apps in the top. So let me go back home. If I go over to your apps, that's exactly where it's routing you. So essentially it's bringing you to the Play Store. If you wanted to add an app, let's say I wanted Freebie, I'm going to install it. All right, so launch Freebie, and let's go down and see if that was added. All right, so it looked like it didn't add it automatically. Let me do a quick reboot and see if that does the trick. There's Freebie. So it looked like it does add the apps automatically. However, it might require a restart, or it might take a while for it to actually show up. So that's all I wanted to show you for this update. Like I said, I do love the Google interface, the Google TV interface. I do feel like Android TV is a little bit dated, so I'm curious to see what's going to happen, what updates Android TV is going to push. Nvidia Shield TV for me, haven't received an update in probably about a year now, so not sure what's going on there, but I'll keep you guys posted as the news comes for the Nvidia Shield TV and if there's a new device out there. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you own a Google TV device? Did you receive this update? Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.